So, I just finished watch Car Fight Vanguard, and it was exciting and funny. Now, the title named The Dark Ones. When I read that titles, I thought it was gonna be an epic episode. I thought Kronos was gonna get an enemy. He's the protagonist. I thought he's gonna get an antagonist, the villain. But no, it seemed like it's more about comedy. Now, the series started off with Kronos was apologizing to Xion and Toka. He was telling them that he's gonna drop out of their team because he don't want to cause them any trouble. So it seemed like Kronos' grade was down to level 1. From level 2 to level 1. You know, all this he worked for those points. Now he's level 1. So Komei tell him that he have a quest. If he passes quest, he can reach to grade 2 quickly. So Kronos went to the dungeon. At first, he himself. But when he reached that dungeon, he come out and said, "This is impossible." So before that, Toka was telling him, "Let me help you." But he was saying, "No. Did you find a new member for your team? Because I don't want to cause you any trouble." Meantime, Xion was thinking about what to do too. So they went to Komei, and Komei tell them the same thing, that he was on a team and he left the team because of some problem. He was talking about when he and Kai was arguing and he left the team. So because he left the team, and Aichi was there to welcome him back. So in the end, all three of them went to the dungeon and they challenged the guy. The guy named, I forgot the guy name. They call himself the Demon King. So because he called himself the Demon King now, every one of those puzzles he gave them was annoying. And Xion and the rest of them was so annoying with that guy. And plus, when Kronos beat that guy, he was telling Kronos to become the 4th Demon King. So Kronos and every one of them run out. And it was an exciting episode. And it was a funny episode. But in the end, they all make up. Kronos was on the team again. So as I was saying, it was an exciting episode. So I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. Subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment box if you feel like it. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.